Hello everyone, in my last video we have discussed some application related to your distance formula from your coordinate geometry chapter. Today we'll discuss one new formula that is called your section formula. Now how this section formula has come? So let me just give you the basic concept. What you will do is that you draw one line. As you can see here, I have drawn one line. Suppose you draw one line AB. This is your line AB, okay? I will take one point somewhere in the middle or maybe this side or that side in the line AB. After I have taken a point Px, Y in that line. Now let me divide this line in the ratio m is to n. I have divided in the ratio m is to n. Now section formula means you are dividing the line segment into some particular value. Okay, suppose it can be 1:2 or 1:5, 1:3, like that. Now this point is given, this point is given, m is given, n is given. How to find out this coordinate Px, Y? So in order to calculate Px, Y, we'll use our section formula. I have already written the statement, as you can look here. What I have written, the coordinate of the point Px, Y, which divides the line segment A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 internally. I said the word internally. Internally means this way. See, m is to n, the ratio. If it is externally, then it will be this way. It will be m, n. This will be n, this will be n. The ratio, okay? The denominator will, the numerator will be bigger, because when you write down m is to n, you will be writing m by n. So your numerator will be bigger than the denominator in case of your external division. But for your class 10, you don't have external division, only your internal division. And in the ratio m is to n, then how to find out the coordinate xy? Your coordinate xy can be found as m plus n, m x2 plus n xy. Then here the second coordinate, in place of x2, x1, you write it down as y2, y1. Now how to remember this formula? How to remember this formula? Let me give you one small technique. So how you are going to remember this formula? So you can see here how to remember this formula. Let me just give you one small technique. So how to write down the first coordinate? First you do m plus n down, m plus n. Alright? Denominator you write down m plus n, m plus n. What about your numerator? You write it down m, 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 n. Okay? You write down m, n, m, n. Now, whenever you write down the first component, here you put x2, then here x1, then here it will be y2, here it will be y1, then you put addition symbol. Okay? So that is how you can remember this formula. So you have to remember this formula, and with the help of this formula, you can find out the coordinate of Px, Y when the ratio is given and the points are given. So let us do one problem from your textbook, exercise 7b, question number 1. As you can see, what is given? Find the coordinate of the point which divides the joint of AB. That means line segment AB. Joint means the line segment AB. It is what this point is dividing the line segment AB. That is what they say. Okay, joint of A and B in the ratio 2:3. Even the ratio is given. So let us come to the solution of this. So let us see the solution. The solution is very simple. If you want, you can draw the figure, it will help you. Then you can use your formula, you will get the answer. So let us see the solution for this. Solution you take. Okay. Solution, how you will be doing? First you draw one line. Line is A, B. Okay. What is the coordinate of A? -1, 7. What is the coordinate of B? It is 4, -3. Then you have to find out the coordinate of the point, any point here P. So coordinate of P in general, it will be what? X, Y. x comma 1. And the ratio is given. What is the ratio? 2:3. That means here it is 2 and here it is 3, the ratio. So let us come to the solution. So what you have to do, you have to identify, okay, what is x1, what is x2, what is y1, what is y2, you have to identify it. So here, okay, here you can identify it here, see, this is x1, this is y1. This is what? This is x2 and this is y2. So you can write it down here. What is x1, y1? Your x1, y1 is equal to how much? -1 and 7. Your x1, y1 is -1 and 7. Then what is your x2, y2? As you can see in the figure, your x2, y2 is how much? It is 4 and -3. So it will become how much? 4 -3. So you finish to identify x1, y1, x2, y2. Now you have to identify m and n. So what is n is to n? N is to n will be 2:3. That means your n is what? N is 2, n is what? N is 3. If you want, you can write it down. M is how much? M is 2 and your n is 3. Is it alright? Now, I'll do a little bit of writing part, then it can be solved. So you can write it down, the writing part. How to do the writing part? Don't make it very complicated. Just write down P x comma y divides the line segment AB. So you write it down. P x comma y divides the line segment AB in the ratio. You take the general ratio. What is the general ratio? M is to n. So in the ratio m is to n. So by using section formula, so by using your section formula, so what will be the coordinate of xy? So your x comma y will become how much? It will be m plus n here, then here also m plus n. Then this will be m x2 plus n x1. M x2 plus n x1. Then here it will be n y2 plus n y1. So you put down the value now. Let us see how much you are going to get. M plus n. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Alright? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So 2 into x2. So what is the value of x2? x2 is 4. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into how much? What is your x1? It is -1. Then similarly you do for your y2 and y1. So it will be 2 into y2. What is the value of y2? You can see from the figure also. It is -3. Plus 3 into y1. What is the value of y1? It is 7. Now let us do the calculation for this. Let us do the calculation. How much we'll get? That will be the required answer, required coordinate. So how much you are going to get? Let's see. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 by 5. Then the second one. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 5. So how much is that? It will be 5 by 5. And when you do 21 minus 6, it will become 15. 15 by 5. So how much you got? 1 comma 3. So that will be the required answer. Is that okay? Alright. So this is how you will find out the point which divides your line segment EB in the ratio m is to n by using your section formula. So I will conclude my video here. In the next video, I will be discussing the new formula which is a part of the section formula only. That is called your midpoint formula. Okay then, thank you so much.